I am coming to OsteoStrong to prevent osteoporosis and grow stronger. I'm Donna Render. I'm from Winter Park, Florida. Well, both my mother and sister had osteoporosis, and I didn't want it. I read Tony Robbins' book, Life Force, and I immediately looked to see if we had one in our area, and then this was here, so I came. And the part that excites me the most is how much stronger I've become, because every week they send you a report, and you see it's all computerized, the data's all there, and I just, in the, 6, 7, 8 months I've been coming, I've just increased so much. And the people here are amazing. Like, the attention that you get is incredible. They're kind, they're loving, I always leave here feeling energized, and they give you such personalized attention. Like, every single week, it's like shoulders back, sit this way or whatever, they're very, very detailed oriented, so I don't get injured. 5 to 10 years from now, I plan to continue with OsteoStrong, because I don't want osteoporosis, and this is making my bones and muscles stronger. Getting older does not mean getting weaker, so I'm going to stay strong with OsteoStrong.